Now, Dr. D.Y. Patil, one of India's best-known educationists and former governor of Bihar, Tripura and West Bengal, died at his home in Maharashtra's Kolhapur. He was 90 years of age. Padma Shri Dr. D.Y. Patil has passed away at the age of 90. Shweta, what reason has been cited for his death?
Well, that's right. In fact, unfortunate piece of news coming from Maharashtra, where we are getting to learn that D.Y. Patil, a visionary educationist as well as the Padma Shri awardee, he has died here in Kolhapur, and he was of 90 years of age. Remember, when it comes to his age and the kind of medical thing he was going through, this has been cited as the main cause of his death. But however, we have seen he was initially, while he started his political career, he was with Congress. Later, when he left Congress, he dedicated his whole life in education, and this is the reason why he was called as a visionary educationist. And we have seen that across Maharashtra, that's including in Navi Mumbai, Pune and Kolhapur. He has various education branches. And in Kolhapur, we have seen the last rites taking place. In fact, sea of people, in fact, they visited Kolhapur to have the last glimpse of D.Y. Patil. We also understand that he was also honored by the prestigious award of Padma Shri. And after leaving Congress party, in fact, he dedicated his entire life in education. And he also very importantly believed how education can reform several lives of people. And we have seen several universities, in fact, Kriti, on his name. That includes the major one of D.Y. Patil, that is located in Navi Mumbai.
Yeah, absolutely. Tragic news. He has made several contributions to Indian education system. Thank you very much, Shweta, for joining us for now. And viewers, big breaking coming in now. Now, the Madras